Here is our trade-in Tuesday. 2016 Dodge Challenger RT Plus. Complete gem. That pearl white. Upgraded brakes, upgraded wheels, upgraded interior. The big Hemi V8. Definitely preference on color, white with the red interior. Sunroof, heated and ventilated seats. Take a look inside. Big digital screen. Nice red interior. Super low miles too, 10,000 miles. A lot of upgrades. This person put a clear bra in the front, 345 decal in the back, all the way around. Dual exhaust. Huge trunk space in these. Let me know if you have any questions. We get the nicest trades here at Arrowhead BMW. Definitely ask for me if you'd like to get more information. Great online pricing here at Arrowhead BMW.